Hey P enthusiasts and crypto fans, welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to sources for the latest news, analysis, and deep dives into the world of cryptocurrency. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an important update in the crypto space. Today, we have two major stories that you're going to want to hear. First, we'll be covering a massive breakthrough from Pi Network. They've just announced a key efficiency enhancement that has doubled their mainnet migration speed. This is huge for the Pi community and could have major implications for the broader blockchain ecosystem. And later in the video, we'll switch gears and dive into Ethereum, where recent data and trends suggest that a big rally could be on the horizon. Ethereum could be on its way to breaking the $3,000 mark and beyond. So stay tuned for that. But first, let's get into Pi Network's incredible leap forward in their migration process. Pi Network has been one of the most talked about projects in the crypto space. Their unique approach of allowing everyday users to mine Pi from their phones without draining battery life or requiring massive amounts of computational power has attracted millions of users. However, as many of you know, the journey to mainnet adoption has been a crucial step for Pi Network's long-term vision. Now, with this latest breakthrough in efficiency, we're seeing them take another major leap forward. So, what's new? Pi Network recently revealed that they have successfully doubled the speed of their mainnet migration process. This is a massive improvement, and here's why it matters. The migration to mainnet is the critical step that turns Pi coin from a digital asset on the testnet into a fully functioning cryptocurrency on the live blockchain. The faster users can migrate, the quicker Pi Network can scale up and drive adoption of its coin and ecosystem. Now, you might be wondering how exactly did they manage to double this migration speed? Well, the team behind Pi Network has implemented several technological advancements and system optimizations. These upgrades have improved the algorithms that handle transaction processing and verification, allowing for faster and more efficient migrations. For the average user, this means you'll experience significantly shorter wait times when migrating your Pi from the testnet to the mainnet. What used to take a relatively long time due to the high number of users can now be completed much faster with fewer delays and bottlenecks. Pi Network's efforts to streamline this process show that they are serious about scaling up and making Pi coin a widely used digital currency. Let's dive a little deeper into the technical side. The speed improvement stems from several key upgrades that have been made to Pi Network's infrastructure. First, they've refined the blockchain algorithms to process transactions more efficiently. These improvements reduce the time it takes to validate blocks, allowing for more transactions to be confirmed in a shorter period. Additionally, the Pi Network team has optimized the backend infrastructure, ensuring that the system can handle a higher volume of migrations simultaneously. This has been particularly important given the large user base Pi has attracted. By doubling the migration speed, Pi Network can accommodate more users moving their tokens to the mainnet without overloading the system. These technical upgrades are essential for any blockchain looking to scale effectively, and Pi's advancements in this area signal that they're positioning themselves to be a major player in the blockchain space. Okay, so we've covered the technical details, but what does this mean for you, the user? Doubling the migration speed isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer. A faster migration process not only improves the user experience, but it also speeds up the overall adoption of P-Coin within the ecosystem. This acceleration of adoption has multiple benefits. For one, a more efficient migration means that Pi Network can scale its ecosystem faster. As more users migrate to the mainnet, it will become easier for developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, on the P blockchain. A faster migration process also means quicker liquidity for Pi coin, allowing for more seamless transactions and interactions within the network. Another critical aspect of this upgrade is user satisfaction. We all know how frustrating it can be to wait for transactions or migrations to process, especially in a blockchain environment where speed is essential. By improving the migration process, Pi Network is ensuring that users have a smooth and efficient experience, which in turn boosts confidence in the platform. Beyond individual users, the doubled migration speed is crucial for the broader Pi Network ecosystem. As more users successfully migrate their Pi to the mainnet, the network will grow stronger and more resilient. This growth will help Pi Network fully realize its potential as a decentralized ecosystem where users can exchange value, create apps, and participate in the growing world of decentralized finance, DeFi, With these improvements in place, Pi Network is now better positioned to attract developers and businesses looking to build on its blockchain. The faster migration process also means that Pi Coin could become more widely accepted as a means of exchange, both within the Pi Network ecosystem and beyond. It's clear that Pi Network is committed to continuous improvement, and this latest breakthrough in migration speed is just one example of how they're pushing the boundaries of blockchain innovation. We'll keep an eye on how this development unfolds and what it means for the future of Pi Network. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Ethereum. Ethereum has been one of the top performing cryptocurrencies over the past few years, but lately its price has been relatively stagnant compared to Bitcoin's recent rally. As of now, Ethereum is trading around $2,500 after a 3.5% drop during the US market session. But don't be fooled by the recent dip. There are several strong indicators that Ethereum is gearing up for a big rally, possibly pushing the price beyond $3,000. First, let's look at some historical data. According to CoinGlass, Ethereum has a strong track record in the fourth quarter of the year. On average, Ethereum has posted returns of 20.8% during fourth quarter. This historical trend suggests that we could see a significant uptick in Ethereum's price in the coming months. But that's not the only reason to be optimistic. Whale accumulation is another key factor. Large holders of Ethereum have been steadily accumulating more ETH since August, with addresses holding between 100,000 and 1 million ETH now controlling over 20.8 million coins. This increased concentration of holdings among whales is often a bullish signal, indicating that large investors have confidence in the asset's future potential. When you see whale accumulation like this, it usually precedes a price rally. These large holders often have access to better information or insights into the market. So when they start buying in large quantities, it's a strong indicator that a major price move could be coming. However, Ethereum has faced some challenges lately, particularly when compared to Bitcoin. Ethereum's underperformance can be partly attributed to the fact that Bitcoin has been getting a lot of attention recently, especially with the growing interest in Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETF. Meanwhile, Ethereum's own ETF launched by BlackRock hasn't generated as much excitement. But here's the good news: Ethereum and Bitcoin are closely correlated. This means that even though Ethereum has been lagging behind, it could still benefit from Bitcoin's ongoing rally. As Bitcoin continues to rise, it's likely that Ethereum will follow suit, especially as more investors look to diversify their portfolios with altcoins like ETH. Looking beyond the short term, Ethereum's long-term outlook remains incredibly strong. Some analysts believe that Ethereum could eventually reach as high as $10,000. This forecast is based on a combination of factors, including Ethereum's upcoming upgrades, its dominance in the DeFi space, and continued whale accumulation. Using technical analysis tools like the Fibonacci retracement, we can see potential price targets for Ethereum in the coming months. The first major target is $7,310, followed by a possible rally to $10,540. While these numbers might seem far off given Ethereum's current price, the market has shown time and again that major price movements can happen quickly. In summary, both Pi Network and Ethereum are making significant moves that could shape the future of the crypto landscape. Pi Network's acceleration of mainnet migration is a massive step forward for the platform, and it sets the stage for even more exciting developments in the coming months. Meanwhile, Ethereum's historical trends and whale accumulation suggest that we could be on the verge of a major price rally, possibly pushing ETH past $3,000 and even higher in the long run. Whether you're a Pi Network enthusiast or an Ethereum investor, these are exciting times. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates as these stories continue to evolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you more excited about Pi Network's recent breakthrough or Ethereum's potential rally? I'd love to hear.